here with the July hip kits, and I'm excited to be creating a new layout with you today. This kit is so gorgeous. It's beautiful. Every month, I think I have a new favorite. I have a favorite picked out. Then I see next month's kit, and it tops it. I love Hip Kit Club kits. All the details, everything is just so perfect. So today we're going to be making a layered layout, which I love to get big layers in there. But one thing that I really loved about this July collection are the papers, and I love this floral sheet. It's filled with beautifully detailed flowers of different colors, sizes, shapes. So I definitely wanted to use it. And I also grabbed this grayish cardstock paper from the cardstock kit to back the flowers on, to kind of make the flowers easier to use in a 12 by 12 layout. I went ahead and fussy cut a smaller set of flowers for the bottom, and I fussy cut a larger set of flowers for the top, and I got those stuck on my page, and now I have started my layer. So from the journaling cardstock die cuts. I had to remember what I was trying to say. From the journaling die cuts, I grabbed one of the tags and grabbed my embroidery floss and put a little bow on that. And I used the envelope die from this month. I love a good envelope. So I got the idea to make one of those envelopes that have the ties on it. And it took me a minute to figure out how to do that. I actually had to Google a picture of it while I was creating this because I couldn't remember. Like, wait, do I need the circle thingy at the top? Do I need it at the bottom? And realized I need one on both. So I grabbed my the eyelet thingy, big thingamajig, and punched holes, and then got the grommets punched into there. And as you can see, like I said, it's taking a minute for me to figure it out, but I got it, and I'm just trying to get everything set up. And last, I go in once I get the flower, instead of a regular circle, I use the flower for my bottom envelope, and I did use one of the die cut circles from the die cut, so that just took out an extra step for me trying to figure out how to get a circle, hole punch a circle, or figure that out. I just used what was available in the die cuts. So once I got that figured out, I start working on my layer. And I knew I wanted the envelope to be part of my layer, and I love the look of it. But what you have to remember is anytime you have an envelope, you can it's a great space to put any journaling that you want to keep private, or just a pocket to hold anything from tickets or literally anything, a receipt or anything that you want to keep private or safe or hidden. Envelopes are a great way to do that. So I love when we get our envelope dies from Hit Kit Club because they always take it to the next level, and they just make it so fun. Now this die set also had a square where you could punch out to layer on top of your envelope. I believe that's what it's for. Or I would even consider punching that square out on the top, on the front of the envelope, putting some clear, like a clear cellophane or clear paper in there. And we also have a confetti die this month, so that would be a great way to add confetti, like a lot of fun if you had a clear opening on the front of your envelope and put confetti in there, or a picture layered with confetti. That could be fun too. So make sure you take a look at the metal dies available this month and see if they're something you might want to use or have a little fun with, or maybe use it a little differently. That's what I love about Hip Kit Club. They use so many ideas that you don't necessarily think of when you're creating, but because they have all the details literally already done for you, you just have to put A and B together and magic. A B equals magic. So yes, I love the details of the Hip Kit Club kits. So once I get my cluster pretty much built up, I go in with a lot of the circles and round items. Repetition is always easier on our eyes, so just repeating the shapes is something easy to do when you're working with the cluster, or if you're trying to build a larger cluster to cover more of your page. And I'm just going with my flowers. I love that we have flowers. I love that we also have the vellum stickers. So I didn't let the flower cardstock paper keep me from adding more flowers, because I think we can always do what we enjoy when we create, and take a moment to do what we love. And I love using flowers, so I don't overthink. I try not to overthink it. Sometimes I do, but I try not to overthink it and just have fun. Oh, and this is an old picture of my daughter and I when she was so young. I can't remember if she was like 2, 3, or 4 in this picture. I don't know, but we are popcorn lovers. We love popcorn at this point. We have our own popcorn maker. But I hope you enjoyed this layout. Remember, there are a lot of advantages of becoming a Hip Kit Club member, and there are a lot of things that you should take a look at on the website. Remember, you could do get a discount on the other packages when you sign up for the Hip Kit Club kits. And there's always cut files every month. It's so much to enjoy when you're a Hip Kit Club member. But thank you for so much for following me along. I wish you a lovely crafty day. Bye.